Traveling can be stressful, especially when it comes to navigating airports. Istanbul Airport, as one of the busiest airports in the world, can be overwhelming for some travelers. However, there are a few tips that can help make your Istanbul Airport transfer experience smooth and hassle-free. First and foremost, it is important to plan ahead. Make sure you have all your necessary documents and information readily available, such as your flight details and accommodation address. Book your airport transfer in advance to avoid any last-minute stress. Additionally, be aware of your surroundings and follow the signs to find your way around the airport. Istanbul Airport is well equipped with information desks and helpful staff, so don't hesitate to ask for assistance if needed. Finally, consider using a reputable airport transfer service for a comfortable and reliable journey to your destination. By following these tips, your Istanbul Airport transfer experience will be stress-free and enjoyable.